Let me tell you what I say whenever a family asks me, how long will it be until the patient passes away? Working in the ICU, it is not uncommon for us to have patients that are at the end of their life that we put on comfort care, allowing them to naturally pass away. And I would say the majority of the time, the families always want to know, well, how long is it going to take? Whenever a family asks me this, I usually give a similar version of the same response. So what I say is, every patient is different. Some patients pass away fairly quickly. Some patients it takes a bit longer. But throughout this entire process, I'm going to make sure that the patient is comfortable. If a patient is on a lot of support, like maxed on 4 blood pressure medicines, 100% on the vent, blood pressure is 50 over 30, I know that removing all of that support is going to allow the patient to pass away very quickly. So if that's the case, I usually try to prepare families for a quicker passing because I don't want them to be alarmed that it only took 4 minutes for the patient to pass away when the ventilator was removed. So if that is the case, I usually say something along the lines of, patients that have been on as much support as this patient tend to pass away quicker than those that are on less support. Hopefully this gives you a couple ideas of things that you can say. I feel like it's an awkward thing if you are not expecting that question and you don't already have your response in your head, but it's always good to emphasize that one, every patient is different, and two, you're going to make sure that the patient is comfortable throughout the process of allowing them to pass away.